honest, guys. Which one you rather? Which one you rather have? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And today I'm going to review the Nike SB Olympic, Lightning, Safari. A lot of names for this shoe, man. But we knew when the Olympics come up, Nike goes crazy. They often promote all of the stuff, even though I seen a lot of runners running with Adidas this year, but Nike, we seen them all. I showed y'all the Jordan 4 cement joints. That was Olympics. The Olympic 6s came out, which I'm going to cop, guys. I'm just waiting for that to go under retail a little bit. I don't want to pay $200, but I got to put that shoe here. It has to come in the collection. And of course, the SB. Y'all know how I do with SBs, man. I kind of like this shoe. The real reason I really wanted this shoe was, come on, man. Y'all know it gave me the ATMOS elephant vibes, man. Minus the Tiffany blue swoosh, it definitely gave me these vibes. Look, a little bit, right? Come on, in the comment section, let me know. Look, little bit. Hit the B-roll. That match. So I do see a lot of Halloween vibes in this mixed with Safari. I do see the electric a little. I'm anxious to get into this. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. I know y'all come here for the honest reviews. That's why I keep it honest. I don't do harsh, but I keep it honest. I'm kind of tired of this box. When this box first came out, top of the year, or a little late last year, I was on this box. I liked the new look. It looked pure. I'm tired of the box. And being that these are Olympic and Safari and electric, I just feel like they should have did something with this box. Just like the Jordan 4 cement joints, wet cement. I love that box. But you get that box we've been getting all year, the white, the silver. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Phantom Black Mono. Flip open the lid. You get that OG SB tissue paper with the tree bark. I don't know what it means. I know it means something with skate, but you get that. And honestly, you don't get the Nike glow-in-the-dark SB sticker, but let's get it. Yes, sir. That Safari just shoots at you. I'm kind of thinking they put the orange just to kind of match with the Safari, because I feel like the sock liner should have been like the shoelaces. But let's get into it, man. Toe box. You get like they calling it Summit White, but I'm getting gray vibes, guys. And it is soft nubuck, guys. Soft. It's going to be hard to keep it clean, but it is pretty, man. But around that softness, you get that Safari look. I don't know if it's a zebra, a giraffe, but you get that Safari look starting at the toe box, shooting all the way up the sneaker. Now, when we first seen pictures of this sneaker, the swoosh wasn't black. I guess they decided to do it black to make it look, I guess, I don't know, more stealth and not more colorful. But this wasn't black. I remember a couple of months ago. But you get a black leather swoosh, just like your Panda joints. And behind it is the same material on the toe box. This is a little stiffer and harder up here than the toe box. The toe box is a little soft, but it is hard also. But this is definitely more hard. Behind that, more Safari creeps in till you get to the back. My favorite Nike logo is in that orange stitching, giving me Shattered Back Boy vibes. You know, the orange on the black. You do get some more nubuck suede here in black. The Safari creeps back in. And then the white we typically get on the SB Dunk. It's an SB, so of course we got the fat pillow here. Fat pillow tongue. Reads Nike SB in orange. Definitely giving me Halloween vibes, guys. And it comes laced in your blue laces, but it should come with more laces. It's a SB. We'll get into it. But the tongue is black mesh, fat, thick SB tongue that we always get. So on the right side is where the extra shoelaces is. Remember that if you're trying to spot reps or fakes. It comes with black, and I get it. Like I said, they was trying to make the sneaker more stealth. That's why the swoosh changed entirely. But I like the blue. The blue give you vibes. It give you the electric vibes. And if you get a nice shirt to match, that's super dope. The inside reads Nike SB, Zoom technology in black. And of course, you see the Zoom technology. Shoelaces in the way. You see the Zoom technology right there in the inside for extra support for the skaters. This is the left, same as the right in the inside, nothing changed. Let's do the bottom. The bottom, you got all black. Like I told you, I shattered backboard vibes. SB, the Nike SB logo's in orange. Stealth look. My fault, guys. The gray one came attached. So the gray one too. So you get black, blue, and gray. I'm still going with the blue. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna front. This year, the Paris Olympics gave us some gems. I know the Jordan 4 Wet Cements is restocking every day, but that's a great sneaker, man. So was them Jordan 6 Olympic joints. I'm going to get them. I might not do a review because this is a GR, and I know y'all seen many reviews, but I'm definitely putting that in my collection as soon as it get under that $200 price tag. These retail $138 shipped to me from Nike, from the sneakers app. I seen them for like $120, $115, $130, so it's a little under retail. And I think it's going to stay that way. Because even before I tried to get them on sneakers app, I got so many texts from skate shops I never heard of with this sneaker. Premier, I hadn't heard of Premier, but a lot of other skate shops had this sneaker, so this sneaker was readily available. It's also one right now, like a green apple look, that's readily available right now, that's going under retail, already on StockX and Gold. I want SB to get back to the collabs, get back to the essence with other sneakers. But this Olympic one, I kind of dig it, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. And which one you rather have, man. It's a no-brainer for me, but there's some new kids on the block, man, and they might go with this. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.